So I advise all my Turkish viewers to turn off this video immediately.
Why are you disrespecting me, bro? No, this cannot be forgiven.
Don't say I did not warn you. So the backstory to this is that I once played something that was requested from a guy. You know the meme, day one of asking shit. And this very devoted Kurdish person made its mission for me to play Kurdistan in Hearts of Iron 4. And he did it every day for somewhere around 30 days and then he gave up. But some other people were mad enough that they continued his streak. And I said I'm gonna play it at day 69. It is currently day 73 and they are still going. So here I am, there is no escape. I did found a Kurdistan mod, but it's on the 1.13 version, so I had to roll back. This is the focus tree, it's nothing too outstanding, but it will do. It's better than anything else I could find. Also, the mod is broken. You basically have to play as Turkey and you get a event for a rebellion, like 10 days into the game. But you spawn in this state with 0 divisions, so there is nothing you can do. So I had to release Kurdistan by console, but it's fine. We are not gonna start with all our cores. I'm gonna give the territory back, because this is not Iron Man, unfortunately.
Hello guys, it's me, Walter White. I am here to tell y'all to subscribe to kristibbs. Also, Blood has a Patreon link in the description that you can join for only $1. Don't forget about the Discord or the live Q&A. And remember, I am the one who cooks.
There we go. This is us, boys. Not even 2 million core population for the start. God fucking damn it. I don't know, let's kick this bitch up, shall we? Only 2 research slots as well. Oh yeah, I remembered. I'm gonna do a live Q&A next week. I still don't know the exact time, but I'm gonna announce it at least one day in advance. So if you have a question in mind, you can leave it in the comments right now, and I'm gonna respond to it live. Alright, let's see what we have here. Oh, I can't do the focus there. I need to control Malatya. I hope that's how it's pronounced. Is this one, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, well, this is a little bit better. But we are not coding this state. Interesting. Oh, but we can do local autonomy, because we are fucking democratic. Worst day of my life. I am playing democratic Kurdistan. God fucking damn it. Where did my life go this wrong? Oh, sweet, sweet Jesus. Kurdistan world conquest question mark. Is this for fucking real? Nah, brother. We need to check this out. Let me save and type this command into the console. Yeah, well, that's cool and all, but it doesn't seem like I can core anything else. I do claim the entire fucking world, but there is no decision to get extra cores or anything. Kind of sad, not gonna lie. Anyway, that being said, we have this fever dreamish path that kind of doesn't lead anywhere. Oh, wait, now I got it. We get 50% non-core manpower. This is where it's at. Okay, got it. We can also form the Arabian Federation, or we can go fascist and do all sorts of silly stuff. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. What the fuck is this? Kaiserreich Romania? I mean, they kinda have similar colors. Oof, going the brown ideology will hit us pretty hard, stability-wise. Do we need any fascist support anywhere? It doesn't seem like it. So I'm just gonna hire the popular figurehead. There isn't really a point to use my political power anywhere else, because I have 0 fucking factories. Feels kinda bad. But it's Kurdistan, what do you want? There isn't much of anything here at this point in time. Oh, thank you, game. Giving me factory construction speed, while not giving me any fucking factories. Oh wait, now we're talking. 70 days for 12 meals. That's quite a huge level of industrialization all at once. I'm sure it will not destabilize our country at all. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna take the military factories first, as the industrial branch won't help me that much. I cannot do those 2 branches, and from here I'm only gonna get 6 civs. And when you're starting from 0, that ain't that much. We could also purchase Syria, but I don't think another 0 factories would do much. Well, actually, maybe it's worth to go for it before Turkey purchases Hatay. But I don't think the French are gonna give it to me, because, you know, all that 0 factory thing. Don't know where I'm gonna get the money to purchase Syria from. Well, I wanted to exploit the fact that I'm playing on non-Iron Man a little bit, by trying to see if this is RNG, but apparently France accepted from the first time. And I get 25% consumer goods. That's perfect because, you know... Oh, wait, actually I got one factory. Where the fuck is it? It's in Lebanon, okay. Well, I got 300k more core population and a bunch more non-core population. Oh shit, it's actually twice my core population. God damn it. I developed the country a little bit. We now have 15 factories and I'm almost out of focuses to do. Everything I have available now is conquest and I still have no army. Also, in the meantime, the Soviets changed color and so tried to do Poland and Italy. Oh, haha, the double yummy. The bane of the Turks, the Kurdish and the Armenians. It's gonna be fun. Well, the plans were made, but nothing actually happened. I also didn't got any decision or anything. By the way, the Second World War started 11 months earlier, and Spain is still in the Civil War. I just got a little bit of army, and our first target is gonna be Iraq. Unfortunately, all my supply hubs are in the wrong part of the country for this conflict, but I think we will manage, as Iraq only has 6 divisions. Well, I guess this is Iraq for you. I encircled 2 of their divisions, basically half the army. Well, now I have some population, but not from my own cores, because the mod makes me core Baghdad, and that's a lot of people. Next up, I'm gonna go for Iran, which is going communist slowly but surely. I just hope nobody will interfere. I have 20 divisions, and they all look like this, so they are pretty okay. Apparently, that focus wasn't a war goal, but a border conflict. So now I own all of Kurdistan. Not gonna lie, this looks pretty good. I don't like the name though because I cannot pronounce it. What the fuck is this? Soybun? Couldn't we just be called Kurdistan? Or even better, Pan-Kurdistan. Now I'm only wondering what the fuck happened with the Armenians. Poor fellas. Where is the goddamn uprising? Oh, now we're talking. The Kurdish state is gonna be called the Greater Kurdish Empire. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, well, in this case, I guess I'm not gonna attack Turkey anytime soon, cause this unholy alliance doesn't seem very beatable by small little Kurdistan. In this case, I guess I will declare war on Turkey. They just declared war on the Soviet faction, not even 1 second after I close the recording. Also, Turkey is non-aligned, so why the fuck are they in the faction? I just managed to capture Cairo, and I'm also at the gates of Ankara, but the Turkish managed to muster an defense, and I'm also missing a lot of equipment, which now that I think about, maybe this has something to do with it. So let's import some resources. I accidentally clicked a decision to drill up some oil, so I did not have any civilian factories for a while. What the fuck is this? Oh, I can white peace with Turkey. Okay, I don't want to do that. All of Turkey belongs to Kurdistan. God, I hope the Turkish viewers are not watching this one. The British troops in Egypt are trapped, as well as some Ethiopian ones. I don't know what the fuck they are doing over here, but they are about to have a really bad day. Oh, Ethiopia actually exists. And they are fascist, now I know. Can't really push in Turkey that much. Maybe I can take the capital though. I don't think that's gonna be enough to capitulate them. And nobody is coming into this port. Very sad. Let's close it, because I kind of need the divisions here. Oh yeah, Germany is somehow winning, and so is Italy. I think that's because the Soviets don't really have a border with Germany, because there is a speed bump in the way. Also, Romania just got involved into this. I don't know why. There is nothing in for them. Oh, maybe they wanted Bulgaria. Yeah, that makes sense. Speaking of, I just came back from a 4-day holiday into Bulgaria. I went somewhere just around here, near Burgas, and I got to say, Romania has some very bad roads, but after seeing what the Bulgarians are dealing with, I'm never in my fucking life gonna complain about the Romanian roads. I fucking tell you guys, if Bulgaria was to ever be invaded, they won't need to block the fucking roads, cause not even tanks are gonna be able to penetrate those roads. I swear to fucking god, that's everything that Ukraine had to do. Just don't do maintenance on your roads, and the Russians won't be able to invade. Easy as that. Also, I was shocked to find out that there were more fucking Romanians in Bulgaria than in Romania. 85% of the cars that I've seen were from Romania. So, in terms of culture, I did not learn anything. Anyway, let's go back to our stuff. Well, this is a pretty nice encirclement. I don't know why the fuck, but they tried to break the encirclement of Alexandria, but not through El Alamein. They went all the way from this city and snaked to it, which was really strange, but I'm not complaining. Okay, now this is gonna take Germany down. They just sent the ultimatum to Poland in the middle of 1940. They were a little smarter this time. Also, France and Yugoslavia, I think, split from the Soviet faction into the French Union or League or something like that, and they just capitulated. Also, now all of Europe is Axis, but I don't think Germany can do this. They did lost quite a bit of men. Oh yeah, and I see the British are going for that Angevin Empire thing. And for that humiliation in Ireland thing. This is pretty pathetic. Or maybe the indomitable Irish spirit prevailed once again. Ah, fuck. Turkey was at 97%, I only needed one more victory point. But Greece capitulated in the meantime, and now everything is lost. God fucking damn it. How do I always end up fighting those super factions? I'm also getting pushed in Libya, and I stopped pushing in Egypt because I don't want to push anymore. Also, my logistics are not recovering well, and I have no trains, because I didn't yet invent one. So yeah, everything is going great. Thanks for asking. Why the fuck is India this color? It upsets me. Oh, look, Chinese Mexico. Interesting. And Mexico. Can somebody explain to me how they are existing in this state and only one province? How is this possible? They are not at war with the Americans. I don't get it. Anyway, Poland is getting pushed. This is not a good sign. I think this is it for Turkey. Yep, decapitulated. And surprisingly, to me, that's a new one. That doesn't really happen that often. And now I need to actually garrison it. That ain't that hot. We also have a new player entering the game. And it's Belgium. Democratic Belgium. In the communist faction. Also the Netherlands is in the Japanese faction, which is also fighting the communist faction. I don't know, man, this game is pretty weird. Oh my fucking god, Paraguay is in the Japanese faction. Wait, what? Oh no, this is the Bolivarian Alliance. Oh, this is also the what? Wait, this is the Japanese faction. Why the fuck is it called the Bolivarian Alliance? Have you gone mad, Hirohito? What the fuck is this? The Germans are pushing very hard into the Balkans, but at the same time they are losing their core territory, so I don't know about that strategy. They are at 17%. I don't know if we will be able to kill Britain ever, but at least Ireland is unified. You'll have to see that. Well, this is a lot. I wonder how the Axis is doing, if they afford to put 40 troops here. Well, they are actually also pushing the Soviets, so they are doing amazing. I captured this port here, but I doubt it's gonna be of any use, and also got naval invaded on those islands, because I forgot to garrison them again. Also lost 200k people, I don't know where from, but I also killed 200k Italians and British, so I'm feeling pretty good about myself. This is curious. In order to get my 5th research slot, I need to complete the focus continue the urbanization, which is right here. And I cannot do it because I do not control the state of Dersim. So I took a look around and I cannot find it anywhere in the Middle East. So I typed it right here, Dersim. And for some reason, it's right fucking here. Why the fuck do I need this state? I have no fucking clue, but I basically finished my entire focus tree. I only got those two left, and I don't think they are worth taking. Also got a shitload of cores, but they are everywhere except where I control territory. Holy shit, Germany is already on all adult serve in 1942. Well, I guess all that pushing wasn't so great for them after all. The UK is still on extensive and Italy just went up to service by requirement. Also, China is now in the faction and a major. And they look pretty terrifying as they are pushing into the Soviet Union. What the fuck happened to Japan? Oh, democracy. I really cannot do much now, I just defend this tile from this onslaught of divisions. I managed to take out the islands, I pushed a little bit in Libya and in Sudan. I am also killing divisions right here, and I am thinking about going on a little rampage in the east, because I have a lot of cores everywhere, and maybe take out the Arabian Peninsula for prettier borders as well. What the fuck? The Soviets got naval invaded apparently, and now I'm getting pushed into. Splendid. 36% capitulated. Wow, I didn't expect this at all. Well, this was actually quite easy to take care of. Also encircled a good 20 divisions in the process, and I think the Soviet Union is about to fall pretty soon. They are not looking that hot. Poland is still alive though, just barely here, but not for long though. And this campaign looks like it might be the longest Kurdistan campaign in the history of Hearts of Iron 4, and I really don't like that. Also, Lithuania is just chilling, Latvia is now Chinese, but Lithuania is doing fine with their 7 men, taking care of the last bits of resistance in Georgia. And then I will really need to get going on Iran because they just declared war on the Soviets. And they kind of have their hands full at the moment. Iran didn't join the Axis yet, so that's curious. But yeah, the war is not really going good for me. What the hell is this silly ass big tank? And why the fuck am I able to push 50 divisions at once? My template kinda sucks, so I don't know. I also captured the port of Tripoli. So the Italian army is about to be extinct. Killed 4 million people so far. Those are the casualties. And the USSR is about to fucking die. They are at 92%, so I'm in a big pickle here. Everybody is in the fucking Axis. And Germany has 4 million manpower. So I think I'm gonna be here for a very long time. Why the fuck are there 2 Chinas? Oh my fucking god, and none of them are the original China. Oh goddamn. Okay, so 1.5 years later, I managed to capture the north of Tunisia, and I'm currently pushing into Algeria, cause I really need some goddamn steel. Nobody's selling it to me, because I've been a naughty boy, and the Soviets don't really have any to give. So I've kind of been scratching by with what I have, and it's not nearly enough. But all this still will take care of my needs. I think I killed somewhere around 300 divisions since we last seen each other, and the total casualties are at 15 million, almost exclusively from encircling units. I also managed to pull this entire encirclement here, so it's gonna be even more after I'm done with this one. And still, this war is nowhere near finished. Britain also just declared war on the entire subcontinent of India, so at least I don't have to do that myself and risk the Americans intervening, which so far are not at war with the Axis. Those fucking pussies. I can't believe this. Ah, yeah, sure, they invaded Indonesia, but they cannot keep their dead in check. Also, Ireland fell, so big L. They didn't core it yet, so that's weird. So yeah, the Great Kurdish Empire prevails. Those are my cores now, by the way. I core all of Iran, which seems kinda weird, but the mod is pretty old. Well guys, the war has developed. Not necessarily in the advantage of Kurdistan. The Axis powers have broke me near Istanbul and now they're putting into Turkey pretty violently, I may add. I got stuck in the Caucasus. Britain also capitulated India and now they are attacking me through Iran. One of my garrisons took the port of Tripoli and the British never invaded me since. And they also managed to push me out of this port. So I don't know how long I can resist. The total amount of casualties is up to 20 fucking million and nothing is changing. The UK is getting more divisions, by the way, because they get a lot of manpower out of India now. So they are pretty good in that regard, and I am absolutely encircled. I don't know what to do. I started to build some nukes, but I have no air at all, and I don't think I can rival the German Air Force anytime soon. Okay, well, the north of Africa has fallen. The British are spreading through Algeria like cockroaches. So I think the end is near. I don't know, man, it just feels like the world doesn't want Kurdistan to be great. It's kinda sad, but kind of poetic at the same time. Those are the final casualties. Almost 28 million in total. It is crazy. At some point Italy had like 10 divisions left and now they have over 100 again. They did go to all adult serve though. So anyway, I fucking did it. I played Kurdistan in Hearts of Iron 4. Was it worth it? Absolutely not. This focus tree is alright I guess, but it's old and it doesn't work properly, so if you wanna give it a try, it's in the description. I don't know why you would do that, but okay. So I hope you liked it guys. My mental health had to suffer again for this. So please at least show some support. Anyway, as always, I would like to thank the Patreons for supporting me every single month. Flossie, Tomilewan, Arctic, CJ Devante, Thunder, Grongwags, Windows Mistake Edition, Gapes Licor, Jack M, Erika Mannerheim, Neil Class, K64, Dante Mantis, Yuki, I'm a Disappointment, Ishgo, Mr. Reader Reads, Puri Namsupo, and Griffin Dame. Thank you guys again, and until next time, don't forget, I am losing my mind. Bye bye.